Hi everyone, I'm Mindy Egan and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts February 2024 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. This month's kit is all about peace, love, and friendship. Included in the classic kit this month is a 6x8 clear stamp set, 17 coordinating dies, 4 tag fancy dies, 6 sheets of white cardstock, unicorn white pigment ink cube, and rustic twine. This kit values at $73 if they were to be purchased individually. The premium kit includes everything from the classic kit plus a 3x4 clear stamp set, Imagine and Peace fancy dies, 6x6 sun stencil, 48-piece ephemera pack, and white embossing powder. The contents of the premium kit values at $113 if they were to be purchased individually. We also have a new a la carte feature where you can pick up the premium items to complement the classic kit. These are limited in quantity and only available while supplies last. Now let's jump in and take a closer look at the contents of the kit. Included in each of our kits is an informational sheet that explains the contents of each kit and gives you card examples to get you started. You are getting 6 sheets of white cardstock measuring 5.5 by 8.5. A unicorn white pigment ink cube, great for stamping or using with various techniques. 3 yards of twine. And 4 fancy tag dies in variety of sizes. We have circle, we have a straight tag, one with a notched corner, and then also one with a slight curve to it, great for adding to your creations. Now here's a closer look at the 6x8 stamp set included in the classic kit. So this is filled with beautiful images that you can mix and match and also sentiments that you can mix and match. Some of these are done in a beautiful scripty font and also have coordinating dies to die cut each of those scripty words out. We have imagine, envision, peace, sending, choose, and believe in, and they mix and match well with the simple sentiments listed below. Then we have some beautiful images that you can stamp and color in with your favorite coloring medium. There's also a variety of vases that you can die cut out these images and add a vase to or a beautiful bow. So taking a look at the contents of the premium kit, we have a 3x4 clear stamp set including sentiments such as "You make my world brighter" and "Let your light shine." Then we have the 2-word fancy dies, peace and imagine. They die cut out all together for one word, so imagine is all one piece, all the letters are connected, and the same with the word imagine, and these are great for adding to journals, cards, and tags. Then we have this beautiful 6x6 sun stencil. There's also a circle you're going to get if you want to mask off the inside of it, and this is really great for ink blending, maybe for a subtle background, or using with our pastes and waxes. There's also included a small jar of white embossing powder, great for heat embossing your images and or sentiments. And last but certainly not least is the 48-piece ephemera pack, and these are a beautiful assortment and great quality ephemera pack. They're not super heavy and not paper thin, just right for your scrapbook pages, journals, card projects. There are different banners in different wavy lengths with different sentiments on them. We have some words: unity, peace, wonder, beautiful flowers in a variety of colors, also some clouds. There are some feather pieces in here and butterflies, just so many great elements that you can use in your projects. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit options, which is going to give you tons of ideas. You're going to see how this kit plays well not only in card making, but also mixed media projects. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and they are not restocked. Become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Your kit will arrive in a Hero Arts reusable 8x10 zipper pouch with all of the goodies packed inside. Sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.